level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. And I have the electronics man with me. He's right there next to me. We're at the Microsoft store. I can't show the people because it's illegal, but anyway, here is the docking station. So we just unplug this. So to pull it out to unplug, just close that.
Wait, look at this. Wait, I just have a little question. What is this? Is this a pack on the side?
Yeah, that's the pack.
It's magnet, dude.
I know,
that's
new. This is, so as you can see, it kind of sticks to the docking station, which is magnetic. To hold up the Surface Pro, there's a nice Surface ring right there. It charges the Surface Pro 3.
Let's look at the ports on it.
What kind of ports is that?
Flip it over.
It has an Ethernet audio port, 2 USB 3s, 1 USB 2, and then a mini display port. So that's the
But
port.
go back to that for one more
And it has a Kensington lock, right?
And a charging port.
Kensington lock right there.
So the difference between this and the Pro 2 and the Pro 1, this one, it looks a little more complete, but there's one problem. Front fingerprint. See all those fingerprints?
Okay, I don't think anyone's going to be touching their dock station that much. They may.
Wait, is this magnetic too? No.
Yeah, the other side is. It is. So the left side of the docking station is magnetic.
So show them how easy it is to put it in.
So here's me putting this in. So all I do is I put the Surface Pro 3 up there.
Is it that easy?
Close. I simply lock the sides by pushing on both of them.
Now pick it up and see if it's secure.
And they're done. And this is very, very secure.
Wait, pick it up for a minute.
I don't want to break this thing.
You won't break it.
That's it. But anyway, very secure. And do you know what model of docking station this is? Okay,
No, it's just the Pro 3 docking station.
it's just like the main. I don't know. We don't know what model it is, but it
There's
is
no model. There's just one
yeah,
docking
there's like a
station.
home one and there's like a.
Oh.
I think this is like okay. So
I'd say this is the home. And
I think this is the home one because that's the one they'd be
so
advertising.
let's just go back, show them the ports one more time.
Showing the ports, a quick walk through the ports one more time.
So there's a headphone jack, Ethernet, USB 3.0, 2 USB 2.0s. Is that correct?
Yeah. Okay, wait. So we have 3.5 millimeter audio port, a USB 2 right there, Ethernet, 2 USB 3s, 1 USB 2, and then a mini display port.
Okay.
You can't really see it, but
Okay, thanks to 2.
and make sure to like this video and subscribe. And
Here's what it looks like in the dock.
here, can you hold this? Can you hold this up too? 2 cameras. I need here. Can you hold that up?
Second.
There's me putting this is Oliver 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And electronics
Putting
man.
it in the dock.
Yeah,
That easy, guys.
Look at that.
So
Please like.
that has been our hands-on
With the Surface Pro 3
first
dock.
look at Surface Pro 3 dock.
Thanks.